Nah, I never had somebody like a different race call me the N-word to my face.
Never?
Never. I think I'm like one of the
You ready?
ones. Well, no, wait. What?
Oh my god. Wait, there's one thing wrong. I asked for tea!
What's your pet rat's name?
Is my pet what?
What the fuck? Oh. What the fuck?
I don't know him.
Grab these! Bitch, you're too fat!
I'll keep you safe in this house tonight. Hold on to me.
Bro. It's 2 fucking megabytes. Guys, check out what I got. It's pretty realistic looking, and when you throw it up, just like in the movie, it does that little ticking. It sounds pretty good too. And it only cost me about $40.
A shooting star.
Aww.
Free on thug, fuck, nigga.
You think you can defeat me? I'm much stronger than you. You don't understand that. With the power of friendship, anything is possible. You come at me right now, and I'll... This isn't even my final form.
Remy, come. Remy, sit. Speak.
Fuck!
Good boy.
Ай-яй-яй, какой плохой мальчик. Что он делает? Ай-яй-яй. Оп, а кто же это? Бэтмен!
I think it's that pellet I'm supposed to wait at. I'm dead. We need stronger border security. Our border security is the strongest in the world.
What we need is to take care of our children.
Well, I hate Nick.
I'll show you how to get snacks from a vending machine for free. Right here's the vending machine. I'm going to push up on this, cover a sensor with my right hand, and I'm going to press G, F, 11, 12, 14. Push for money return twice. 1, 2, and then I'm going to fuck.
What is your best language?
我们的语言是什么 ？English。英文。
English is your best language?
是英文是我们最好的语言。
Yes.
Okay, what's going on?
哦，是这么回事。
So I speak English, but I don't understand English. So he's translating to Mandarin.
我们会说英语，但是他不会说英语。
What's happening?
我不知道
What are you here for?
我们是来干什么的？
We're here for the
我
museum.
们是来看博物馆。
You expect me to understand your language?
你想让我明白你在说什么？
Well, I'm speaking English.
我在说中。
Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele.
Nick, I don't feel so good. Do you got anything to drink?
There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. I accidentally spilled a drop on the floor.
Little man, don't even worry about it. There's nothing more that you can do to this car.
You guys want to watch a movie?
Yeah! My Little Pony. Jumanji.
Nigga move! Ready to see how much you want, bro?
Yeah, let me see.
What the fuck, bro?
What, bro?
You won't believe it.
You lying? How much, bro?
You won't believe it.
You lying? I know you lying.
Bro, you will not believe it. Come inside.
Nah, you lying, bro.
I'm not lying, bro. I'm lying.
Starting bid is $50.
100? 120.
$5. $2. $9.99. $1.50. $1.25. $1.
Hello, Laura. Love, what you doing there, then?
I'm burying my goldfish.
Oh, dear, what a shame. Still, it's only a goldfish, I suppose, isn't it? But why are you digging such a big hole, you silly thing?
Because it's inside your cat.
The boy! The boy! The boy! Oh, there!
The tortilla. The tortilla.
Walk in the room like I'm Vincent Kennedy. Hey, does it? You must remember me. Call me some native remedy.
Я так могу! Я так могу! На плечи. Молодцы. Замкните.
Oh, thank you very much. What's this?
Welcome.
Whale, what? Welcome. Welcome. I'm sorry, honey. They're not serving
so
whale
sorry.
semen.
Little lower. Now feel around. Move around a little bit.
Whoa.
No, what?
Scary.
No, it's not scary. Feel around. Touch it. It won't move.
I don't want to. It's not scary.
It's not scary. Just touch it. Just move around. Put your hand
I
there.
did touch it.
Huh?
I did.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What did it feel like?
I think it's a hand.
What is it? You were right.
Oh, yo, baby. Ah, yeah. Hey, yo. Spider-Man! What's up?
Girls, we have some bad news.
What?
Everyone who has a grandma, step forward. Not so fast, girls.
Randy!
You're saved, sir. We're gonna get you back to civilization. And how about we bring along your monkey pal?
Okay. Yeah, we can teach him sign language, and he can tell us stories about what you two did on the island together.
No. Let's not bring the monkey.
Flying hands for fire.
Все хорошо? Аккуратнее. Эй! Ого!
Vocês todas as casinhas, não foi?
I don't want milk. Milk's for babies.
Yeah, babies.
Oh, yeah? Well, I happen to know that milk helps build strong bones. So drink up.
Well, Mr. Miller told me he never drinks milk. Look at him.
Yeah.
Hi, kids.
Oh, that's not good.
Got milk?
How much do I owe you for rent again?
$800.
I just don't have a lot of money at the moment. Is there something else that I could give you instead?
No, I'd probably just like the money.
Could I interest you in one tip?
I'd really just appreciate the rent money.
There's so much surface area, you know, so many options.
I don't really want that.
And I'm into everything. Holding hands, tongue in mouth, showering with my clothes off, watching each other go number 2.
You know what? Let's just forget about it, okay?
Really?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's just Monopoly money.
Okay. Thanks. My turn.
Sorry. Look, I'll move to the left, you move to the right, okay?
No, I'll move to the left and you move to the right.
Okay. Look, I'll count up to 3, all right? You go anywhere you like, okay? Okay, right. 1, 2, 3.
I'll count to 3 and go anywhere you like. Right. 1, 2, 3. It's not working.
No, is it?
Look, I know. I'll count to 3. I'll stay where I am, and you move.
Which way?
Well, it doesn't matter, does it? I mean, if I stay where I am, you can go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it worked.
Nice to bump into you. Yeah, it did, take care.